Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving into a super exciting topic, that is how to create your own GenAI model in Databricks and how to serve it using your custom data. So as you know, data and AI are getting married, and we see a lot of advancements in the field of data and GenAI. Let's dig right into it. So let's start. So when we click on create a serving endpoint, which we can find under the machine learning tab, it will take us to this screen. So we must make sure that we have a Unity catalog configured and also our workspace configured in the Databricks. And I believe this is only possible for the premium account. So demo version or community account, I highly doubt that they will let us try this. So these are the prerequisites that we must have a paid premium account of Databricks instead of the community version or a free account. So these are the only two prerequisites that we need to have: a Unity catalog configured and the workspace configured. Let's start. We can name it anything, anything of our liking. So let's say Databricks, I named it as Databricks GenAI data model. So okay, after naming our model, we can select from our my models or Unity catalog the different models that we can use. So let me show you the different models that we have here. We have Whisper. This is used mainly for the languages translations and all the different audio to text. What I'm really interested on is the Meta Llama model. This is a very great model created by Meta, Facebook, the parent company. So this has 3.8 billion parameters. So it's a very nice advancement in the field of GenAI. Let's confirm it. Now, the provision throughput. So some might ask, what is throughput? So throughput is nothing but the number of requests per second that our model can handle. So if we see that 7200 tokens per second, so it means that our model can handle 72 tokens per second. Uh, is a lot, but it is just the second option here, the minimum one being 3600. So if you have a look on the right one, right side, so we have the dbus associated with this. So if I decrease this, the dbus, the cost of dbus will decrease. So let's say I did a 3600 one, so the cost automatically halves. If I increase it, so the cost will also increase, but let's put it back to the default value. And scale to euro we should always enable, so that we don't have the overhead of the costs. So the data model should scale to zero, and we don't have extra cost coming to us. So in terms of cost management, this is very important. Then advanced configurations, I wouldn't go deep into that, since we are using, we can also add another entity here. So let's say we want another model, let's say Whisper, and then we confirm it. So this traffic is, let's say 100% traffic is going to here, but if we decrease it, sorry, mm, 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 let's say 90% traffic goes here, and then we can increase the 10% traffic to go here. So this is also great. So let's say out of 100 requests, 90% of the requests go here, and 10% of the requests will go here into this model. But currently, I'm only interested in the other one. So, yep. And AI gateway is just for the logging purposes. So use it tracking. The others, I would say, do not check. Let's keep the default configuration. Let's create our model. So after creating our model, I will compare it with the normal ChatGPT and the other existing models in the Databricks as well, just to compare how much the Databricks has grown its GenAI capabilities as well, and why Databricks is on the top of its game when it comes to data and AI. So let's hit create. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes before the model is getting ready. So it is creating currently. Let me cut the video here and resume once it is ready. Now we're back and we see our model is ready. It is ready to be used. So let's use it. So we have three use cases. We can try it in playground, try it for batch inference, and use it in a query. So what I will do is, in this video I will try it in a playground, but in forthcoming videos I will also use it in our query. And I have something planned in the future where I would use it directly in a end-to-end data engineering data model. So we will utilize it in the final stages, just like how the big data forms use it. So let me click on try in a playground. So yep, we see we can start typing here to add a prompt. But the really cool feature is we hit plus sign here, so we can also compare it with different models. So what I would do is I would give a prompt in one of these, and it will automatically sync it to the different GenAI models. So let's take for example the Cloud Sonnet here. The cost associated is also given. Let's use this, and then let's keep it to the Llama Maverick here, and let's start typing here. So I would give a simple prompt, explain what Databricks does in simple terms. Give me 5 bullet point. So as you see, I typed it here and it automatically sync it. So let's hit run here. So let's see. So the Databricks different models are generating. So this is what our data model, sorry, our GenAI model did. So this is what our GenAI model generated. This is what the Cloud 3.7 generated, and we can compare it. And this is what the Llama Maverick generated. So out of these three, which one is the better output? Just type it in the comments. I would say this one suits better. So let's say what does Databricks does. In simple explanation, it gave me 5 bullet points right away, and the heading is good. This one is also good, although it is missing some heading. And let's say this one doesn't really appeal it, but okay, since we created this one, it is lesser in terms of the dbus, so the cost associated is less. Okay, so let's head over to ChatGPT now and type the same prompt. Let me copy the prompt here and give the same prompt in ChatGPT, and let's paste it here and add it here. So this is what ChatGPT gave us. So we can compare the different models of the Databricks. And personally, I think this one was the best. So this is how we can use it. And so I have something great planned in the forthcoming videos. Please stay tuned. And in the meanwhile, I would request you all to share it among fellow data and AI enthusiasts. Please make sure to give some feedback in the comment section, and which Gen AI model appealed to you the best out of these four. So this one, and this one, and the ChatGPT one. Let me know in the comments. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.